Today I'm going to be sharing how I turned this store-bought window curtain into luxurious hanging window panel curtains. I got this window curtain from IKEA. The brand is Moret. It is 57 by 98 inches. It does come with 2 panels. It is also room darkening. However, sunlight does peek through just a little bit, but it does have great privacy. So that's the main reason why I picked this up. And since the curtains come with rings, I decided to pick up a rod from Walmart, a rod big enough to go through the rings. And in the rod package, it comes with these brackets that you install inside the wall, along with the screws and the anchor screws that comes with it, the instruction sheets, and also I decided to pick up my own drywall anchors that's actually big enough and safe enough to go through my walls with no problems. So now that I made sure that everything is even and well leveled, it is now time to hang up these curtains. everything is hung up. This is definitely the look I was going for, from the ceiling to the floor. Everything is very flowy, it's very secure. Nobody can see what's going on inside. And in the near future, I might put a panel in the middle just to give it that definition. But for now, this is exactly what I was going for. Very, very classy, very elegant, and this is definitely the aesthetic I was going for. So if you guys would like to see the update video of when I put the panel in the middle, you guys can leave that in the comment. But for now, it definitely brings the room out. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you guys think? Would you guys purchase this curtain? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later.